Bond is now set at $500,000 for one of the suspects accused of burying a body in the backyard of a home in Lowell. 55-year-old Kenneth Johnson making his first court appearance today after being extradited from Florida.
Johnson is charged with concealing a death, and he is accused of burying his roommate, Sammie Davis, in that backyard. WCNC Charlotte's Kaylin Hagwood spoke with Davis's family as this missing persons case now comes to a close.
After more than 3 years hoping for answers, the family of Sammie Chip Davis finally getting some clarity on what may have happened to him.
October of 2020 is a time Felicia Wilson won't soon forget. It's when she says her brother, Sammie Chip Davis, disappeared, cutting their memories short. After 3 years with no word on his location, her clarity came. According to the district attorney, 55-year-old Kenneth Johnson admitted to burying Davis, who was his roommate, and hiding the death for years, with 53-year-old Robin Adair also charged in the case.
Instead of calling law enforcement and reporting the death, he and Miss Adair buried the body in the backyard.
The DA says Johnson told investigators Davis suffered an overdose. Johnson says he and Adair were afraid, so they buried him. This sent law enforcement and family in search of answers.
There was evidence for a couple weeks after he went missing, linking the defendant to use of the decedent's debit cards.
Behind bars for those alleged offenses, the DA says Johnson finally decided to speak.
And actually drew the location of where the body would be found and directed officers to that specific location.
For Davis's family, the news has brought some clarity, calling their loved one an amazing person who loved his family.
Johnson's next court appearance is early February. Reporting at the Gaston County Courthouse, Kaylin Hagwood, WCNC Charlotte.